Heavy drop. Heavy drop.
Sounds like you.
City rain wrecks.
Walking through the rain alone, but it don't feel like I'm on my own.
Every street, every tone
Carries pieces of what we were.
Your laughter in the pouring sky, your voice in every passing car.
I try to run, I try to hide,
but you're never far.
I hear you when the thunder cracks, like the past keeps calling back. Every second we once had
now just fades to black. But somehow you still remain in every drop, in every pain, like a song I can't erase, playing in the rain. We try to let go, but we never did. We try to forget, but we still exist. Echoes in the rain, calling out your name. Every drop of pain feels the same. Echoes in the rain, driving me insane. Love we couldn't say still remains.
I remember dancing in the storm, back when everything felt warm. Now I'm standing in the same place, but it's not the same. We were fearless, we were free. Now you're just a memory,
but somehow you still live inside of me.
I try to wash you off my skin, let the rain just take it in. But no matter where I've been,
you're still within.
Every step I take alone feels like walking through a ghost of a love that once was home.
Now I'm just a host. If love disappears, why do we remain? If you're really gone, why do I feel the same? Say my name one more time. Say my name one more time. Say my name.
Say my name
one more time.
one more time.
Say my name.
Through the rain,
I'll be fine. Echoes in the rain,
washing through
my veins.
every drop
remains, calling your name. Echoes in the rain,
we could never
we
change.
could never change.
Even through the pain,
we stay the same.